2:36 remaining. And this is an exhibition game. Dave Ildefonso drive. And one miss. Get a foul. Still 4 points from the Ilocos Norte. Dave Ildefonso on the free throw line. First is good. Tingnan natin yung pangalawa. It's good also. Dalawa na lang, alamang. 2 and 30. The last 2 minutes. They're now by Dave Ildefonso. Kick out for the lead. The Golden Hands. Bang! There's Spraymore. A nice step-up kick out by the Golden Hands. Spraymore. 1 point lead back by the Team WBN Sophia. 110-109. 8-0 run. 1 point lead and their last 2 minutes. Mukhang binigyan ng magandang laban. Dito yung Ilocos. And Sir Bang Bang! Right, back 2 points. Oh, yun, oh. Binigyan ng magandang laban. Dave Ildefonso. Green. Pass to Encho Serrano. Encho pass to the Golden Hands. 110-112, and this is a big challenge here for the Team WBN Sophia. Pinadikit talaga eh. Because for the excitement. Eto, binigyan ng trail. Tignan natin kung kaya kabulin sa mga star player natin.
Number 2, 3 foul.
Babayan. Pinadikit lang talaga. Pinigyan ng excitement.
140, 111.
Two out of 2.
114, 112. 1
It's a traveling violation.
Both teams, 1 final left.
Still, Anthony Mitchell. Bang! And a full press defense. 1-4 in deadlock. Oh, what a match. An exhibition. In favor for the Ilocos. Naswerte yan! Nakatawa.
Consume timeout. Team Sophia consume timeout.
Pinasarap eh. Pinaganda eh. Biglang sinuwerte sa dulo.
Backbone WA.
9.6, 114, 116 in favor for the Ilocos Norte. Tingnan natin. Anong set play? 9 seconds. Nice setup. 3. Sherwin. Oh! Ganda ng last play. And that's all for that exhibition. Ayan, saya-saya. Pero dikit talaga eh. Oh, lads. This is only an exhibition game, but of course,
Actually, coach, yung Big Time Plays, inano ko eh. Nag-comment ako dun sa kanya.
Big Time Plays, shoutout pala sa YouTube channel ng Big Time Plays. Thank you so much.
Amazing! Bawal malate. Mga eksena.
Pogi si ano, subscribe nyo sa Big Time Plays, oh. Oh, di ba? Pang Mr. Pogi yan dati yan.
Bro, talagang napakataas ng mga views na ngayon ni Big Time Plays. Kaya congratulations sa'yo, bro.
Si Big Time Plays, supportahan niya yan. Magaling din mag-video, tsaka kaibigan natin yan.
Yo, shoutout nga pala sa Big Time Plays ng Malabon.
For more basketball news and updates, just click the notification bell. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, please subscribe and support my channel, guys. See you on the next video. Let's go!
Step back and kiss myself. Big time players make big time plays. Woo!